Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the 8 July all shift question analysis. First, we will discuss about first shift question, then second shift, then third shift. Let's start the video. First question is which articles of India Constitution is related to the joint sitting? Answer is Article 108. Next question, Kamala Narayan was related to which dance form? Answer is Kathak and Bharatnatyam. Extra fact about this question, which may be asked in upcoming examination. In 1970, he got Padma Bhushan. Next question, who is the author of the book The Diary of a Young Girl? Answer is Anne Frank. Next question, Indian National Congress was split into two groups, moderate and extremist, in which session? Answer is Surat session 1907. Extra fact, Kadri Gopalnath is associated with which? Next question, Kadri Gopalnath is associated with which musical instrument? Answer is saxophone. Next question, in which stadium did Yuvraj Singh hit 6 sixes in 6 balls? Answer is at Kingston Ground in Durban against England. Next question, which of the following statement is true about suspension? We did not get exact answer of this question because it is option depending question. Next question, which are the following Newfold mountain? Answer is Alps mountain and Himalaya mountain. Next question, Kardang monastery in which state situated at? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next question, Spirogyra is an example of which phylum? Answer is Chlorophyta Thallophyta. Next question, when was the Congress established? Answer 28 December 1985. Next question, which of the following crops is grown throughout the year in South India? Answer down rice paddy. Next question, which of the following is the number of countries sharing terrestrial land with India? Answer 7, which will be in option that will be right. Answer question. Next question, in the battle of 1526, Babur defeated whom to establish the Mughal Empire? Answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Next question, Human Development Index is related by which institute? Answer United Nations Development Program. Next question, on January 2022, whom did the central government appoint at the new name of ISRO? Answer is Dr. S. Somnathan. Next question, ICC T20 World Cup 2024 will organize in which country? Answer West Indies and United States. Next question, in which state Pongal festival is celebrated? Answer Tamil Nadu. Next question, parliamentary system is in the Indian constitution has been taken from which country? Answer Great Britain. Next question, Sarai Nur Mahal is located in which state? Answer Jalandhar district in Punjab. Next question, Pandit Kishan Maharaj is related to which musical instrument? Answer, he was a famous tabla player. Next question, in which article of the Indian Constitution there is a provision for the same punishment for more than one offence to a person? Answer is Article 22. Next question, not more than once prosecuted and punishment. Next question, according to the 2011 census, India seconds we did not get exact question. Next question, The poverty line is measured through which answer is if the income of a person is less than the national average income. Next question. Which of the following Deccan Plateau to the south of the river? Answer Narmada River. Next question. Kalvelia is the folk dance of which state? Answer Rajasthan. Next question. David Warner played IPL 2022 for which team? Answer Delhi Capitals. Next question. Radha Sridhar is related to which classical dance? Bharatnatyam. Who among the following was the member of India in January 2022? Who has been appointed as the Chief Economical Advisor? Answer V. Anant Nageswaran. Next question. According to the 2011 census, which is the most spoken language in India? Answer is Hindi and Bengali, then Marathi. First Hindi, second Bengali, third Marathi. Next question. Atomic mass of hydrogen atom. Right answer is 1. Next question. What happened by the British government after Jallianwala Bagh massacre? In 1909, Hunter Commission was formed after Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Next question. Chromium atomic number. 24. Answer 24. Next question. When did Aurangzeb die? Answer 3 March 1307. Who wrote the book Roads of Missouri? Answer Ruskin Bond. Next question. In which schedule of the Constitution of India is the Union list of the state list given? Answer 7th schedule. Next, the poverty line is measured through which the poor was assessed on the basis of relative poverty cost in if the income of a person is the national average income less than. Next question. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D? Answer rickets. Next question. Whose State from Heart autobiography? Answer is Kapil Dev. Next question. How many open market operated are there in RBI? Answer is 2 type of almost outright and repo. Next question. Which is the oldest Veda? Answer is Rig Veda. Next question. How many bills were there in the Kisan bill? Answer 3. Next question. What is the article 280 related to? Answer is provision has made that from the commencement of the constitution to within the year and every 5 years thereafter one or before the expiration of which the president constitution of a finance commission as deemed necessary will be done. Next question. Ayushman Bharat Yojana was launched in 2018 from which city? Answer Jharkhand. Next question. First Muslim woman of medieval India? Answer is who was the Sultan? Answer is Razia Sultan as the first Muslim woman ruler of North India. Next question. Ghumar belong to which state? Answer is Rajasthan. Next question. Who is Foreign Secretary of India was appointed on 1 May 2022? Answer is Sringala. Thanks for watching. That's all.